ShopABot software is a revolutionary way to profit as an Amazon affiliate. It's the only Amazon store that is truly automated and comes with inbuilt traffic technology that is guaranteed and proven to generate sales. Step 1. Add Amazon details. Select your theme and your store is ready to take sales. Step 2. Import every single product for sale on Amazon. It's like your own Amazon. Step 3. Use our proprietary viral product search engine. Step 4. Instantly create viral landing pages for the proven viral products. Step 5. Your store is ready. Always updating and consistently building snowballing traffic. ShopABot system scam. We have thoroughly tested the ShopABot Pro software, and from our report it is a powerful product that really gives value to the clients, and we highly recommend buying it. We have also checked other trusted reviews on the net, and they are 98.5% encouraging, so we can safely recommend it and know that it is not a scam. Many clients have bought it and reporting that their results are very good and they are satisfied with the purchase. There are many scammy courses at the general niche that promise a lot but rarely deliver. This is not one of them. The ShopABot gets the job done and provides you with real value. ShopABot review. The unique features of ShopABot. ShopABot has many advanced features to help you get the goal. Cloud-based app. This marketing software is designed for cloud-based. It means that you do not have to install or download anything, so you can avoid the troubles in the setting up a step. With the hosted stores, you also can connect your domain to a click. No import or update products. If we have to update the products instantly, it takes us so much time, and we do not want that. However, with ShopABot, this task is completed automatically directly from Amazon, and you will not have to spend time on it. Easy to customize. Many useful editable tools are designed to change the store to color quickly. Therefore, you can select your niche and let the viral traffic take over. 90-day Amazon affiliate cookie. The affiliate cookie will help you to get you more sales. ShopABot review. Conclusion. Right now you're at a fork in the road. You can either carry on as you are, wake up tomorrow in the same place, struggling to make anything at all online. Or you can take action and invest in yourself and change your life for the better. Nothing is going to change unless you do. So trust your gut and click on the buy button now. Remember that this is a time-limited special offer. If you close this page and try to come back later, I cannot guarantee that this offer will still be here indefinitely, not at the same price. With my guarantee, you have absolutely nothing to lose and everything to gain.